Have you ever tried making akara with water yam instead of beans? This simple recipe might surprise you. Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time of coming across this channel, please do well to like, comment and subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. Let's get started. I'll start by peeling the water yam. Then I'll cut into bigger chunks in order to enable me hold it very well when grating it. After cutting, I wash the water yam thoroughly. You don't want to match any sand inside your akara when chewing it, so you have to wash your water yam very well. Then I proceeded to grating it with a grater. You can also blend it, but make sure it's not too watery. Water yam is very soft, so you don't need too much stress preparing it. I'm done grating it. Now I'll be adding my ingredients. I'm using just 3 ingredients, which is fresh pepper, onions and salt to taste. Now I'm mixing everything together, and you want a smooth, thick consistency, not too watery, so it can hold shape when frying. You can whisk a little to add air. This helps it come out softer. Now I'm adding my oil into the pan. Now that my oil is hot, I'm scooping in the mixture carefully. You can actually use a clean hand to scoop the mixture into your oil. Growing up, this used to be one of the quickest snack recipe my mom used to make for us. You don't need to break a bank in order to make this. You can actually make this with everything you have in the house. It's quick, simple and yummy. Allow that to fry on medium heat so it cooks well inside and doesn't burn outside. After some time, flip it over so the other side can fry as well. After about 5 minutes, your akara is ready. See how beautiful that looks. Crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. This looks so good. The aroma alone brings back so many memories. And here it is, our mouth-watering water yam akara, looking beautiful and delicious. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Moni's Kitchen and Lifestyle. Let me know in the comments, have you tried water yam akara before? I'll see you in my next video.